Hey, part 2 of solving systems of linear equations. So much fun. I kid, it is not fun for most of you. It's not really super fun for me. Although this isn't my least favorite math, so I guess we're good. We're going to check the solutions after we've done it and make sure they match up. We're going to solve them. I will show you the teacher edition with the answers later, okay? So we're going to graph these. It says you got to graph them. So we have the first one, x, and then a positive 4. That plus 4 is our y-intercept, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, it's x. That means it's 1 over 1. So 1 over 1. Now we can't really go up more, so we go negative 1, negative 1. Negative 1, negative 1. Negative 1, negative 1. I'll do one more just for kicks. We're going to draw our line. That is a horrible line. I'm sorry. All right, that one's done. This one is negative 2. And we're going to go 1, 2, negative 2. We start there. Now we have negative 2x plus, yeah, negative 2x over 1. I'll play fish with you when I'm done, I promise. All right, so it's negative 2. So we go negative 2, positive 1. All right, can't go down more there. So we go back here. Now we'll go opposite. Positive 2, negative 1. Remember how if it's negative 2, positive 1, it's going to be the same as 2 over negative 1. Okay, so in this case, we did negative 2, positive 1. But we can also go backward and go up to positive 2, but negative 1. But we're getting close there. Negative 2, or I'm sorry, positive 2, negative 1. Okay, that's going to be where it intercepts. Where is that? 1, 2. So that's a negative 2 on the x coordinate and a positive 2. And that is its solution. Over here, we have, this guy's on the same side. We got to get him back over there. So we're going to plus half an x on each side. That will cancel each other out, leaving just y equals a positive. You don't have to write that positive here. You can just write it as is. And then that negative 1, that minus 1. So this, I'm sorry, I got blurry. Okay, we're going to start here. This is negative 1. And if it's a fraction, remember, it means you go up 1 over 2, like that. Up 1 over 2. Up 1 over 2. Or you can go down 1, negative 2. Negative 1, negative 2. Next one, we start at the positive 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we have up 1, positive 2. Up 1, positive 2. Down 1, down 2. Down 1, down 2. All right, it's not going to intersect. So this means what? Does it have a solution like this? No. It is no solution. No solution, because they are parallel. They never intersect. Over here, we have, we got that x chilling by the y. We need it to be y equals mx plus b. So you have to minus it, minus that that quarter x on each side. That will get you with y equals a negative 1/4 x plus 1. Why is it a plus 1? Because that's a positive 1. Oh, they're identical. Negative 1/4 x plus 1. So this one will have, it doesn't have a solution because you can't graph where they cross because the whole thing crosses. The whole thing is right on top of itself. This one is no solution because they never cross. This one is infinitely many. Infinitely many. Pardon my awful writing right now. So to graph that, you just be like, all right, well, positive 1. There we go. That's my y-intercept. And then it's negative 1, positive 4. I can't go that way. So we'll go positive 1 and negative 4. Remember, you can just switch it. And then just draw that line. You don't need to draw with a different marker, pencil, or pen over it. That's the same. Over here is that weird one we talked about. It's x and y. Literally, they give you the coordinates. So if you see that, well, it's just, that goes in the x spot because that says x. And what goes in the y spot? Well, the 5, that's it. And to graph that, well, what's negative 3, positive 5. Did I count 5? I counted 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There we are. Okay, a -3 and a +5. That's it. And you can see over here, here's our answers. I'm not going to worry about the test practice one. All right, if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comment section, or you can email me separately. I will be giving you instructions on how to prove that you did some of this work over the first portion of our quarantine break. But if you have any questions about that also, or concerns, email me. Or you can use that handy dandy piece of paper I sent home and contact me via my personal cell phone, which I might regret later. Okay, hope you're all doing well. Bye.